In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can use the Zendesk API for you to make and create a ticket. So without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to zendesk.com and log in to your Zendesk account. From here, go to support right here on the top left and then go to admin center. Now, the next thing that you would do is to go to apps and integrations. This is where you can get your API tokens for Zendesk. Now, simply click right here first for you to get started. Now, as you can see, my API token access is still currently off. So we need to configure this by clicking right here first. Now we're going to enable this and allow, save, and then we're going to go back to API tokens. Now we can now add an API token. So put in a description right here, sample, and then as you can see, for us to generate the token, we need to save it first. Once saved, we can now copy this token and now we can use this for us to create another ticket in Zendesk. And that's it, very simple. So if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use the affiliate link given on the video description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.